In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expense taxes in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record an expense and have QuickBooks calculate the tax for you, so your books stay accurate and audit ready. Let's start by creating the expense. From your QuickBooks dashboard, click the plus new button. This opens the menu of transactions you can create. Choose expense. This tells QuickBooks you've paid for something directly, rather than creating a bill to pay later. Next, pick the payee. This is the vendor or service provider you paid, like a utility company or a supply store. Selecting the correct payee helps you track spending by vendor and makes future reconciliation much easier. Then select the payment account. Choose the exact bank account or credit card that was used for the purchase, so QuickBooks reduces the right balance. Taking a second here to verify the date and currency, if applicable, will also keep things tidy and consistent with your receipt. Now add the category and tax details. Under category details, select the expense account that best fits what you bought. For example, office supplies, repairs and maintenance, or travel. Choosing the right account ensures your reports, like profit and loss, accurately show where your money is going. Enter the amount of the purchase in the amount field. This is typically the price before tax, as the tax rate you select will be applied to this figure. Check your receipt to confirm whether the price you're entering is before or after tax, and be consistent with how you record similar transactions. In the tax column, open the drop-down and select the correct tax rate for this purchase. This should match what appears on the receipt based on the location and type of item or service. If the item is exempt or zero rated, choose that option instead of a standard rate. Once you pick the rate, QuickBooks automatically calculates the tax for you and shows the split between the net amount and the tax amount. Take a moment to review the total to make sure it matches your receipt. If it doesn't, double check the rate and the amount you entered. When everything looks good, payee, payment account, category, amount, and tax. Click Save and Close. Your expense is now recorded with the correct tax, ready for accurate reporting and reconciliation. That's all there is to it. Create the expense, choose who you paid and how, categorize it correctly, apply the right tax rate, and save. Follow this flow each time, and your tax tracking will stay consistent and reliable.